Have you ever been in a situation where you needed crucial information about your business, but the support line was closed? Or perhaps you had a burning question about compliance, and it was outside standard business hours? If you're an entrepreneur, or even just thinking about starting a business, you know that time is often of the essence. Unexpected issues don't always conveniently pop up between 9 to 5. And when it comes to something as vital as your registered agent service, the official point of contact for your business with the state, accessibility to support can make or break your peace of mind. This is where understanding the customer service hours of a provider like Northwest Registered Agent becomes incredibly important. We're talking about a service that handles everything from legal documents to official government correspondence. Missing a crucial piece of mail or being unable to get a question answered quickly can have real consequences for your business. So, today, we're diving deep into exactly when and how you can reach Northwest Registered Agent's customer service team, what makes their approach unique, and why these hours might be perfectly suited for your business needs. Let's set the scene a little. When you run a business, especially a new one, you're wearing many hats. You're the CEO, the marketing department, the sales team, and often the customer service representative. Amidst all of that, staying compliant with state regulations is non-negotiable. Every state requires a registered agent to be available during normal business hours to receive service of process legal documents like lawsuits and official government notices. This isn't a suggestion, it's a legal mandate. If you miss these, you could face penalties, default judgments, or even the dissolution of your business. That's a level of risk no business owner wants to take. This is precisely why choosing the right registered agent isn't just about price. It's about reliability and, crucially, access to support. Imagine receiving a notification about an urgent legal matter, and it's 6 p.m. on a Friday. Your registered agent's customer service could be the only thing standing between you and a weekend filled with anxiety, or even worse, a missed deadline. So, let's pull back the curtain on Northwest Registered Agent's customer service availability. Northwest Registered Agent distinguishes itself with a customer service philosophy centered around what they call corporate guides. These aren't just call center agents reading from a script. They're real, trained professionals with a deep understanding of business filings, compliance, and the nuances of running a company. Many users report a highly personalized experience, often working with the same representative over time, which builds a level of trust and familiarity that's hard to find elsewhere. Now, for the core of our discussion, their operating hours. Northwest Registered Agent's customer service is available from Monday to Friday, from 6 a.m. to 5 p.m. Pacific Time, PT. For those on the East Coast, that translates to 9 a.m. to 8 p.m. Eastern Time, ET. Let's break down what these hours mean for you. First, the Monday to Friday availability. This aligns with the typical working week for most businesses and, more importantly, with the standard business hours during which government agencies and legal entities operate. This ensures that during the critical time frame for receiving official documents and notifications, Northwest Registered Agent's team is ready and available. Next, the specific time frames. 6 a.m. to 5 p.m. Pacific Time / 9 a.m. to 8 p.m. Eastern Time. This offers a fairly extensive window, particularly for those on the East Coast. If you're an early riser on the West Coast, you can connect with them before your typical workday even begins. If you're winding down on the East Coast, you still have a few hours after the traditional 5 p.m. closing time to get your questions answered. This extended reach can be incredibly beneficial for busy entrepreneurs who might be juggling operations, client meetings, and administrative tasks throughout the day. It provides flexibility to reach out when it's most convenient for your schedule, rather than forcing you to conform to a rigid, narrow window. It's important to note what these hours don't include. Northwest Registered Agent does not offer 24/7 support or live chat in the same way some competitors might. While this might initially seem like a drawback to some, the consensus among many users and reviewers is that the quality of support from their corporate guides often outweighs the lack of round-the-clock availability. Instead of generic answers, you get in-depth, knowledgeable assistance from someone who understands the intricacies of your business and the services they provide. So, how can you reach them during these hours? Northwest Registered Agent offers a few key channels. Phone. They have a dedicated phone number, 509-768-2249, where you can speak directly with a corporate guide. This is often the quickest way to get a complex question answered or to discuss a time-sensitive matter. Many reviews highlight the professionalism and helpfulness of their phone support. Email. You can email them at support@northwestregisteragent.com. This is a great option for less urgent inquiries or when you need to provide detailed information or documents. They aim to respond to emails within business hours, and often you can reply directly to emails they send to your corporate guide. Contact Us form. Their website also features a Contact Us form, which is another convenient way to submit your questions. This acts similarly to email, ensuring your query gets routed to the appropriate team. Client Account Portal. For existing clients, Northwest Registered Agent offers an online account portal. This portal isn't just for managing documents. It also has a built-in chat program, allowing you to interact directly with their team. They emphasize that every email they send can be replied to, and you'll get a response from your corporate guide before the end of business hours. One of the often praised aspects of Northwest Registered Agents' customer service, even with set hours, is their commitment to privacy by default and their no-upsells philosophy. This means that when you engage with their support, you're not going to be subjected to high-pressure sales tactics or unnecessary add-ons. The focus remains squarely on providing you with the information and assistance you need. Their corporate guides are genuinely there to help you navigate the complexities of business compliance, not to push additional services. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.